Welcome guys. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create a video on Android. First, pick a subject. In this tutorial I have picked Langkawi Island. Prepare a content write-up. A quick search on the web and Wikipedia will do a good job for you. Second, be organized. Open a note app or any text app. Paste the copied information onto it. You may add extra captions, edit or make creative changes to suit your video. Now, load that information on Narrator's voice app. It is an easy app to use and understand. You can choose a lot of voices. Like me. Hi, I'm Simon, from United Kingdom.
Off the mainland coast of northwestern Malaysia. The islands are a part of the state of Kedah, which is adjacent to the Thai border.
As I advised before, be organized. INSHOT. INSHOT is a vital video editing app. This is the critical part of mixing and matching elements for creation of a video. First, load selected images. Then, load the narrator's voice saved audio in the app. If there is a need to edit images time span, do it. Or you may trim the audio. Do, refine and do. You will find it tricky to do editing part, but you will get around it.
Langkawi, officially known as Langkawi, the Jewel of Kedah, is a district and an archipelago of 99 islands in the...
Keep a good note to assist in the creation of video. Rename video file. To get attention of YouTube's algorithm, it is suggested that you name the video similar or identical to your video's title. Try find a good title from search keywords on keywordtools.io. For my video, I named it Visit Langkawi Island Malaysia 2020. By 75%, this video's name will attract algorithm and YouTube's viewers. Don't forget that the search result on YouTube also depends on YouTube's moderator's consent. Upload video. Once done renaming the video, you can proceed with uploading. Open YouTube app and select Upload. Remember to name video similarly or identically to your video. Write a short and brief description about your video. And set your video's location. Video's location enables viewer within the given location to receive video suggestion from YouTube based on the location of viewers. Set keywords and tags. One of the best free keyword tools is keywordtools.io. Browse to the site and insert video's title. Keyword Tools will produce a list of keywords that is relevant to your video. Select view and its video's tags. Make sure tags are stored in lowercase. Make a quick search on YouTube. For my video, I search Visit Langkawi Island Malaysia. It seems that the video has caught attention of YouTube's algorithm. Probably, at this moment, you got the idea of SEO or search engine optimization. To keep the ranking above, lots of efforts need to be done. Make sure you promote your video on social media platforms, friends and any media-related services. These are tools and apps involved during video creation. Thanks for sparing time to watch this how to create a video tutorial. Hope you learned something new today. Thank you.